Dog pool ramp, the ultimate safe and secure guide. Often overlooked, a pool ramp for dogs provides a secure and effective way for dogs to exit swimming pools, thereby reducing accidental drownings. What is a dog pool ramp? A dog pool ramp is a specially designed tool, crucial for the safe entry and exit of dogs into swimming pools. Often made from non-slip materials, these ramps are not just a luxury, but a necessity for pet owners who enjoy pool activities with their dogs, especially aiding older or mobility-impaired dogs. Types of dog pool ramps. In-ground ramps are durable and blend aesthetically with the pool deck. Portable ramps offer flexibility and are great for occasional use, while floating ramps provide a safe cooling-off solution in summer. Key features to consider. When selecting a dog pool ramp, it's crucial to consider features like the ramp's size and weight capacity, ensuring it's suitable for your dog. Other important features include the material and construction quality, the presence of a non-slip surface for safety, and aspects like portability and ease of movement. Installation tips. Proper installation is key. Ensure the dog pool ramp is securely fastened and level to provide safe and comfortable pool access. Introduce your pet to the ramp gradually using treats or toys, and always supervise initial use. Remember to test the ramp thoroughly before allowing your pet to use it for swimming. Conclusion. In conclusion, dog pool ramps play a vital role in ensuring the safety and enjoyment of your pets during pool time. Investing in a suitable dog pool ramp makes pool activities fun and worry-free for both you and your beloved canine companions. Go to dogpoolramp.com for more information on dog pool ramps and swimming tips for dogs.